I know an idea. We could pour the paint in here. If you added too much, it would be murky.
Amazing. Here's your next animal.
Classy.
Hi, everybody. It's Alexa, and I am so happy that you joined me for our next sensory activity together. Now, today we are talking about community helpers, but a very special community helper. Do you guys know who? Should I tell my friends? We are learning about a farmer. Can you guys say that nice and loud?
Farmer!
Wow! Farmer. How about you guys? Can you say that with me too? Nice and loud. Can you yell out, farmer? Amazing. Now, did you guys know that a farmer takes very, very good care of his animals? So that's why I have a bunch of different animals here. Should we tell our friends what animals we have today?
I have a frog right here.
There's a frog. Amazing. So we have a frog. And we have this animal over here.
And a snake.
And a snake.
And
Emily.
a
That's right. We have a pig. We have a frog. What's this animal right over here?
ram.
A ram.
A male ram.
A male ram. Amazing.
And female rams have curled up horns.
That's right. Yeah, we're going to talk about our paint in one moment. But Emily, do you know what animal this is? Or maybe Alex knows.
It's a mountain goat.
A mountain goat. Emily, can you say that for everybody? A mountain goat. Awesome. So we have so many different animals here. So me, Alex, and Emily, we are going to work together to get our animals super dirty. Do you think you can do that with me?
Yes.
Once we get them super dirty, we are going to take very good care of our animals just like a farmer. And we are going to clean all the paint off of our animals. So before we do that, let's tell our friends what they need for this activity. Does that sound good?
Yes. You need paint.
Amazing. You're going to need some paint first.
And a bucket.
A bucket. You're going to need some animals. And some water and some sponges to clean your animals with. So I'll give everybody a couple minutes now to go grab what you need. And when you grab everything, we'll get started. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Awesome. So I'll see you guys in just a few minutes.
Sensory play with Alexa.
Okay. We're mixing paint and we're getting our animals super dirty so that we can clean them.
Enough.
Amazing. Now, are you ready to dip all of your animals in the paint?
First we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it with my hand. And we're gonna make a wonderful color. It's gotta be turquoise.
Amazing.
I made turquoise.
And you can also use your sponge.
Look,
and
this
you
is
can
color.
put it all
Alexa,
over the animals.
look how color it is.
I love that, Alex.
And I'm gonna dip one of my animals, Froggy. Oh,
Awesome.
now.
And once your animal is super dirty, you can put them in the bin so that they're ready to be washed.
They're fine.
Awesome.
Now we're gonna take this animal.
And Emily, do you want to use the sponge and get your horse super dirty? You can dip it in the paint and then you can put it on your horse.
I'm just doing it with my sponge. It's okay because I already have my hands dirty.
Amazing. Let's do the horse now. Ready, Emily? Let's put the horse in.
My bird's going down. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the pig done. Albert, here it is.
Amazing. Now it's Emily's turn. Emily, you want to put the horse in the paint and get it super dirty.
I know an idea. We could pour the paint in here, then we could mix the animals around like some stew.
Amazing. Get them nice and painted. We want to do lots of good cleaning cleaning.
Then after, we're gonna make some more paint when we're done cleaning. I must make maybe what colors? Alex! No, enough? Put this in. Here, put some blue paint in. I'm gonna mix it. Let me see enough. Not enough. Put more. You know. Enough. Now close it and open another one.
Hey my friends, we are finishing getting our animals super dirty. But Emily already started the next part of our activity. Now we have to take very good care of our messy animals. And we have to try to get them super clean. We have sponges, we have water, and you can even add some soap to your sensory bin to make it super bubbly.
I got it!
Amazing! Once our animals are clean, perfect, Alex, we can put them on the side. Who's ready to clean this one?
Me.
Here you go. And I have a pig. Are you ready to clean the pig, Alex?
Yes.
Here's the pig. Let's get them nice and clean.
I want to make it.
I would love to help you. Let's scrub together. Awesome. Right, you gotta give your animals a great big scrub. Get all of the paint off. Amazing. Let's do another one. Here's another piggy, Emily. Are you ready to clean this one? Okay, make sure he gets in the water. And I'm gonna try to do this one.
I'm done the pig.
Amazing. Here's your next animal. Can you take very good care of my next animal and get him super clean? Amazing. Now, my friends, you might want to do this in a smaller bin, in a bigger bin. It doesn't matter what you have at home. It will work with anything you have. Now, I cleaned my goat. How's it going for you guys? Are we almost done?
I can't do the ear.
I'll help you. That's really great. Emily
I
said
can't-
that she's trying to clean
can't-
the ears. It's
I
important.
can't do this part.
That's okay. I'll do that for you.
And
Here you go, Emily. You could put this on the side.
I'm gonna make for this pink back.
Okay. Let's end that one.
All the animals.
Hi, everybody. That was so much fun. We got our animals super dirty, and then we put them in the bath, and we took such good care of them, just like a farmer. Amazing job, everybody. I hope you had so much fun with me, with Emily, and with her brother, Alex. I'll see each and every one of you super soon. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.